Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set based on bar graph. So before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us, and a Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. The question says Skillsoft Limited is a Mumbai-based company that supplies various software products to banks and financial institutions. The company supplies total of 5 products named A, B, C, D, and E in the 4 regions of the country, namely North, East, West, and South. The following graph shows the product-wise distribution of the sales in the 4 regions in 2019 in terms of number of units of product sold. Okay. Now the second graph says that the region-wise distribution of the sales in 4 regions of the country in 2019. Okay. So how do we start it? Let's read the question first. Question 1 says, what is the ratio of total sales in East, West, North and South regions? Okay. Question 2 says, what is the ratio of sales of product A in West to the sales of product D in North? Okay. And question 3 says, what total sales from how many of the 4 regions should be known to us in order to determine the sales of all the 5 products in all the 4 regions? Okay. So see, this table talks about the total sales of each of them, and talks about the percentage in which they sold in different regions. So let's assume that A sold a total of 200x. Okay, A sold a total of 200x. Out of 200x, it is said that he sold 10% in North region. Okay, so A in North, how much did he sell? 20x. Okay, A sold in North 20x. Now talking about North, in North how much is A selling? 10%. Here it means that out of the total number of units sold in North, A is selling 10% of the total. Okay, and how much is A selling actually? Actually he is selling 20x. So this means that 20x is 10% of North, correct? So what will be 100% of North? 100% of North would be 200x. So we can say that the total sale in North is 200x. Now let's make a table for each and every one of them, because similarly we can determine for each and every one of them. Okay, so let's make a table. So we have North, we have East, we have West, and we have South. Okay, and here we have A, we have B, we have C, we have D, and we have E. Okay, now we know that the total sale of North is 200x. Okay, 200x, and from that A sold 10%, that is he sold 10x. Sorry, he sold 20x. Okay, now talking about A, we also know that the total of A is also 200x. Okay, now talking about A, out of 200x, he sold 30% in East. That means he will sell 60% in East, 60x. In West, how much did he sell? He sold 40% in West. That means 80x. Okay, so what will be the remaining? 80, 60, 140, 140 and 20, 160, so 40x. That is 20% is what he sold in South. Okay, now what we can see is on the similar lines, the way we found the total of North, we will find the total of East, the total of West, and the total of South. Okay, let's see. So in East, how much is A selling? 60x. Okay, A in East is equal to 60x. Okay, but out of the total sale in East, how much is A actually selling? Only 15%. So that means that 15% of East is equal to 60x, correct? So the total sale of E would be 60x into 100 divided by 15, 4. So E has 400x. The total sale of E is 400x, correct? Now let's see, let's talk about West region. So what do we have in West region? Let's see. In West region, A is actually selling is 80x. Okay, A in West, he is selling 80x. Out of the total sale of West, how much is A selling? 40%. Okay, so A is selling 40% of West. And how much is A actually selling? He is selling 80x. So 40% of West is equal to 80x. So West will come out to be 200x. Okay, so 200x. Talking about South, in South A in South is selling 40x. Okay, A in South is selling 40x, whereas of the total sale of South, A is selling 20%. So we can say that 20% of South 20% of south is equal to 40x. So S can be 200x. So in south also the total sale is 200x. Okay. Now we can calculate for each and every product. Okay. Now what do we have? Let's see. Let's check it out. Okay. Now in north, out of the 200x, how much is B sold? B is sold 10%. Okay. So B will be sold 20x. How much is C sold? C is sold 30%, that is 60x. And the other two are sold 25%, that is 50x each. Okay. Coming to east. In east, how much is it? 400x. So out of 400x, how much is being sold by B in product B? 30%, that is 120x. Okay, 120x. How much is sold by C? 10%, that is 40x. How much is sold by 25% and 20%? So 25% of 400 would be 100x and 20% would be 80x. Okay. Coming to west region, the total sale is 200x. So out of 200x, 5%, that is 10x is sold by B. Then let's come to C. 20% is sold by C. So out of 200x, 20%, that is 40x is sold by C. Talking about D, 10% is sold by D, that is 20x. Okay, and the remaining 80, 40, 120, 120 and 30, 150, 50x is sold by E. Okay, that is product E. Okay, coming to south, what do we have? The total sale in south is 200x. Out of that, the B is 25%. Okay, so 25% would be 50x. Okay, C is 30%, that is it will be 60x. Then how much is DNE? DNE are 15 and 10%. Okay, so 15% would be 30x and 10% would be 20x. Okay, so now it is clear. Now the total sale of B is, let's see, 120, 50, 120 and 30, 150 and 50, 200x. Okay, total sale of C is 60, 40, 100, 100, 100, 200x. Okay, total sale of D is 100, 150, 20, 30, 50, 200x again. And the total sale of E is 50, 80, 50 and 20. Okay, 200x. This is also 200x. Now what are the question? Let's see, the total sales are equal. See, this is 1000x. So the total amount of A, B, C, D and E sold are 1000x. And the total amount sold in 4 different regions is also 1000x. That means we are not going wrong anywhere. Now the question asks is, what is the ratio of total sales in east, west, north and south region? So in east it is 400 and others it is 200. So our answer will be 2:1:1:1. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, just a second. Okay, so now we can clearly write answer as 2:1:1:1 because in east it is 400 and others it is 200. So this is our final answer. Now let's go to the second question. What is the ratio of sales of product A in west to sales of product D in north? Again, we can use the last table. Sales of product A in west, let's see what is it, 80x, and sales of product D in north. So D in north is 50x. So we have to find the ratio of 80x is to 50x. X is cancelled, 0 is cancelled. We have 8:5. That is our final answer. Now the third question is, total sales from how many of the 4 regions should be known to us in order to determine the sale of all the 5 products in all the 4 regions? Because all are in X form, so even if we know the sale of any one of the region, we can calculate the sale of each and every product in each and every region. So our answer will be 1 for it. That is, only by knowing the exact figures for one of them we can find the value of X, and once we have the value of X we can find each and every other term. So the value of only 1 is enough for us to find each and every figure. So that is our answer. So I hope I have made myself clear in this set. I hope you understood it. So thanks for watching the video, guys.